Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with Sheets Genie with 3 control center sheets. So very quickly, if you want to pull these template sheets into any spreadsheet, you just go to Sheets Genie, Templates, and you can pull in Data Sniper, Commands Helper, or Quick Data Targeting. I've already set them up below just so we can get started fast. So very quickly, the whole purpose of the Data Sniper template is to let you see and understand what Sheets Genie can do and to run tasks and play with it. So the most important column in your Control Center Sheets is the Start column, which has all the tasks that you're going to run. You can test out running each task one by one if you wanted to. For example, this would be how I would run task 8 if I wanted to. Just for fun, I'm going to run this row 13, which will actually run rows 8 through 11, just to give you a sense of the kinds of things that Sheets Genie can do, which is the whole point of the Data Sniper template to begin with. So what this is going to do is it's going to show you how Sheets Genie helps pull in data. For example, it can copy data from another spreadsheet like it did just now. Keep an eye on this column, the date column. It's going to pop over here to the left as we can organize columns into any order we want and reduce them. In this discounts column, keep an eye on that. We're only going to get discounts now that are 250 or above for the next step to show how you can automatically start filtering based on conditions. And then keep an eye on this column where we're only going to get blanks in this column and reduce it any further. And this just gives you a sense of how Sheets Genie can go ahead and pull in data, organize it, and process it. But now what if you wanted to create these kinds of commands for yourself from scratch? How would you do that? Well, that would bring us to the Commands Helper template, which helps you with creating and setting up commands. So for example, let's say we wanted to create a sheet named Sheets Genie Demo, and we wanted to add headers to it like Sheets Genie Works Magic Fast. Okay, so we want to add these four headers to this new sheet. We could run this right here and it would work, but what I recommend is that you copy the things that you really like and you go ahead and you just paste them and you start creating your own step-by-step systems like this one, create a new sheet. You start creating them. So for this one, let me just edit this really quick. The run rows, we actually want to run rows 12 to 13. This is the only one that you have to kind of edit like that after copying it. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's run row 14. And the whole point again of this one is that you created these commands from scratch without having to reference the documentation, which is pretty awesome. So now you can like access the power of Sheets Genie really quickly and easily with all these commands helpers. So next, let's say you don't want to create step-by-step systems. You just want to filter data really quick with Sheets Genie. This is where the quick data targeting comes in. So for example, I have this sheet called Moslinks, and it has got columns that go to DI, and that's over 100 columns. And all I'm really interested in is this domain authority column, page authority, and these two. So why don't I come over here just to filter really quickly. I want to target sheet named Moslinks. And do I want to remove rows? No, but I do want to get specified columns. And I believe the columns I wanted and the order I wanted were this. So we'll run it and find out. The whole point is you do that. Now you run it really quickly. We're not trying to create a step-by-step system. We're just trying to filter our data really fast. So we're going to come over here and there you go. It already did it, guys. So it reduced all that data to 4 columns. So that is how the quick targeting sheet helps you target data fast. So once again, guys, you just learned how you can use the Data Sniper example to wrap your head around Sheets Genie, Commands Helper to create your own commands, and the quick data targeting to simply filter data fast. Thanks, and I'll see you in another video.